How to fix Paramount Plus app not opening and not working problem. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your storage. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Now over here you're going to find different apps that are installed in a device. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Then you can head towards the app Paramount Plus, open it, click on Offload app, click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app, then click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, your problem might be fixed. Likewise, check if app is up to date or not. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Paramount Plus. After app appears at the white corner of it, you're gonna see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, you can give a fresh restart to your device. And lastly, what you can do is completely remove this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. With that, you deleted this app from your device. Now launch your Play Store or App Store and then search for the app and download it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Paramount Plus app not opening and working. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.